In this video, you'll learn how to change the font size in Notion. When you select your text, you'll notice several formatting options appear, but none of them allow you to directly change the font size. Notion doesn't have a traditional font size slider, but there are still a couple of ways to make text bigger or smaller. The first way is to use headings. Highlight your text, then choose Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3. Heading 1 is the biggest, Heading 2 is medium, and Heading 3 is smallest. This is a quick way to make specific parts of your text stand out. The second way is through Page Settings. Click the three dots in the top right corner of the page. Look for the option called Small Text. If you toggle it on, the entire page text becomes smaller. Toggle it off to make it larger again. These are the only ways to adjust how big or small your text appears in Notion right now. If you agree that Notion should have more font size options, leave a comment below. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and check out more Notion tips on this channel.